The word, Kampuchea, means a country of Khmer people. Kampuchea can be translated as, Khmer country. The French call Kampuchea, Le Cambodge, the Khmer male is called, Le Cambodgian, and the Khmer female is called, Le Cambodgian. A bit different from French, the English name for the country is, Cambodia, and the Khmer people are called, Cambodian. However, the full definition of what is Khmer and what is Cambodian remains a large topic of discussion among Khmer or Cambodian intellectuals. In Cambodia, Khmer New Year is the greatest traditional festival, and also the greatest national holiday. It is 3 days of festival and sometimes can be 4 days. Khmer New Year begins on April 13th or can begin on April 14th, depending on the Mahasynchron, which is the ancient horoscope. In fact, Khmer New Year originally began on the first day of the first month in the lunar calendar, which can be in November or the beginning of December. In the Angkor era, the 13th century, the Khmer king, either Suryavarman II or Jayavarman VII, changed the new year to the 5th month of the lunar calendar, in April by the solar calendar. 95% of Khmer population are farmers, and the period from November through March is the busiest season for Khmer farmers to reap or harvest the crops from the rice fields. Khmer people can find free time in April because there is no rain, and it is very hot, so Khmer farmers have the time to take vacation after they have worked very hard to gather the rice crops from their fields to get their income. Therefore, April is the right time for Khmer in Cambodia to celebrate New Year. The Khmer New Year festival originated from Brahmanism, a part of Hinduism, which was a religion that Khmer believed in before Buddhism. Later on, Buddhism became associated with the festival and then took all the important roles in the festivity. Usually, Khmer New Year is celebrated for 3 days. The first day of New Year is called Mahasynchron, and it can be described simply as the inauguration of the new angels who come to take care of the world for a 1-year period. The leader of angels is named Kimitea TV. People need to clean and decorate the house and also prepare fruits and drinks for the New Year inauguration and to welcome the new angels at every single home. Elderly people like to meditate or pray the Dharma at that time because they believe that any angel who comes to their houses at that time will stay with them and take care of their family for the whole year. Actually, in the morning of the first day of New Year, most Khmer people prepare food to offer the monks at Khmer temple to get blessed. It is a great time for boys and girls to play traditional games together at the temple or any field or playground in their village because it is only at the New Year time that boys and girls are allowed to play or get together socially. Also, it is a wonderful time for single people to search for the special partner to get married to in the future. In the past several decades, dating did not exist in Cambodia. The second day of New Year is called Wonabot, which means day of offering gifts to the parents, grandparents and elders. Usually, Khmer people like to share gifts or presents to employees and also donate money or clothes to poor people. In the evening, people go to temple to build a mountain of sand and ask the monks to give them a blessing of happiness and peace. The third day is called Day of Leung Sakk. That means the year starts to be counted up from this day. For example, it is when the year of 2000 would change and begin to be 2001. Traditionally, in the morning, people would go to the temple to perform the ceremony of the mountain of sand to get blessed. In the evening, to complete the New Year festival, Khmer people need to perform the last ceremony, called Pithi Srang Priya, which means giving a special bath or a special shower to Buddha statues, the monks, elders, parents and grandparents in order to apologize for any mistake done to them and to gratify them. Everyone has a wonderful time during this ceremony because it is a great opportunity for everyone, young and old, man and woman, to have much fun by spreading out water to each other. People in the world always say New Year celebrate their happy festival. They usually schedule and prepare it differently, depend on their belief and tradition. For Cambodian have hold it since past till the present. The reason that caused to finish the old year for the year that there have been some people believe that there is a story as following. One time there were a person, Kabul Morhaprohm, who asked 3 questions to Thorm Bao Koma, the millionaire's on, who had known the 3 percepts of tri vith and ale kinds of the animals' languages. They all had promised to cut the head of the person who failed the exam. Thorm Bao have no way to find a solution. He felt very hopeless. Fortunately, there were 2 eagles which had spoken about these questions to make Thorm Bao could find the way to settle the problems. The time of gambling arrived. Thorm Bao had spoken that 1. In the morning, the happiness is on the face, that is why all people have to wash their face. 2. In the afternoon, the happiness is on the breath to make the people take water to wash the breath. 3. In the evening, the happiness is on the foot to make the people wash their food in the evening. The result had broken out, Kabul Morhaprohm, had to cut his head to give to the oldest, had take it go around Pras Someru mountain about 60 minutes after they all bring it to put in the center of Kuha Kunth Malay of Kala mountain. In the end of the year the 7 females Angles had changed their turn to take the head and go around the mountain every year till the present. This is the reason to cause Sang Kran, or changing the old year into the new year. Some people have believed that for a period of 1 year the people always face the problems like diseases or serious obstacles to make them unhappy. When the one of the year they all had celebrated a great festival called Happy New Year, and the people always prepare themselves, clean the house, and take food to offer the monks. They wear new clothes and play popular games.